Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will see what is the formula and what is the function in Excel. In our previous video, we have seen the cell, the row, the column, and what is the range in Excel. Let us understand what is the function and what is a formula. A formula in Excel is basically an mathematical expression which you use to get a desired result. If I wanted to add these numbers with mathematical expression, what I have to do is I have to use the formula. Highlight the formula. I have to use the formula equals, and I need to enter the numbers manually. 900 plus 850 plus 500 plus 365 plus 450. These are the numbers which I wanted to total, and when I use the formula, I will get the total of these numbers. If I wanted to subtract, I need to use the formula equals 110 minus 32. This is also another formula using a mathematical expression to get a desired result. This I have used for addition and this I have used for subtraction. Similarly, if I wanted to use the function, I have to go to formulas, insert function. If you see, there are multiple functions which are available, and you can use these functions in Excel. I will use one of the function. This function is already inbuilt in Excel for adding the numbers. I have to use the function which is called as sum. So equals sum. Sum is basically a consolidated or combined formula which Excel treats as a function. Sum. I need to select the range of cells to get the desired result. So I got the result which is same 3065 and 3065. For subtraction, I can use simply, I need to select the cell A6 minus A7. So this is how we will use the formula and the function to get the desired result. Once again, formula is a mathematical expression which you can use in Excel, and you need to manually use the numbers to get the desired output. Function is a feature which is already available inbuilt in Excel, which contains the formula to which it has to be applied.